Welcome back, friends. This is Janvi Arora presenting you some science experiments. So let's have fun. I am going to do one experiment, rising water. For that we need one candle, some colored water and one empty glass. Now as you all can see, I have lightened up the candle. Now I will slowly pour the colored water in the saucer. Now I will cover the candle with the glass. Now we have observed for some time. Now you all can see the candle has blown out and the water level is rising up. This is because of vacuum. So the science behind this is the candle blows out due to lack of the oxygen and the water level rises up due to difference in the air pressure. So you can try this simple experiment at your home. Enjoy!